show you how to use our products and tools. Now before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. Hi guys! Welcome back to Tolsen. So these are the wire stripping pliers. So as you can see, this is the standard one, which is the DIY one. It comes in 6-inch tall as well as this one. But as you can see the difference, this is the Grip Pro series or industrial grade with the CRV black finish. Top grade steel, if you ask me. Very nice. So this, I will help you demonstrate and see how this works. So let's go. So this is the wire stripping plies. So we are going to unbox it. Then this is the sample of the wire, so you know how to cut them off. Now be very gentle, not very, but be careful. Do not use too much of a force, so you can cut the wire and the body will only be taken out. So that is all for today, and that's all I can do for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something from these pliers. Please do look forward for our future videos. Drop by a message from our FB and comment on our YouTube channel. And do come and drop by on our Quezon City Banawe Branch. Thank you guys so much. Hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. This is Layatan signing off.